Hello, my name's John Bound and I'm Head of Marketing for RS Industria. Getting back to a live event, you can't beat it. It's brilliant. I mean, Teams and email is all very well, but actually meeting people, there's a level of empathy and discussion and understanding that is very difficult to get digitally. So we're delighted to be back. The reason we're here at Digital Manufacturing Week is we're here to learn. We've been talking to customers and suppliers about our proposition, which is an integrated IoT platform, and everyone's very interested.
We see this as a really important market for RS components in the long term. You know, the world is digitising, maintenance is digitising, and the whole way that MRO is procured and managed is going to change as data is used better within the MRO supply chain. So we're here to tell people about our proposition, but most importantly to listen to customers about what their needs are in this space.
So RS Industria is a modular system. It allows us to help the customer to get valuable data from production areas as well as industrial assets, all in one common place on a cloud-based platform. And thus allowing that data to be translated into information, into insight, which drives action.
So you start simple and grow smart, and that way you start to build up your IoT system in careful stages, making sure each one works at each step of the way until you have your complete system. So there's no big bang, the costs and risks are lower, and that's an approach that's been very well received. We are one of the world's largest suppliers of IoT elements, and over the years we've seen customers coming back to us to ask for help in integrating these systems into a single point. We're now supplying digital services to our customers in any event, and we're just integrating this into one large platform.
Well, it's been a great event. I think everybody's really excited to be out in the real world again, talking to real people, and certainly the reaction from people understanding the industrial proposition has been very strong. The modularity of the solution, the fact that we can start small and grow from there has been very, very interesting to customers.